Hey guys, holy crap, so I haven't uploaded in a few days. My hair looks a bit majestic because, I flicked it the other way and now it's looking like fresh. It looks like I got a hair. Anyway, I got suggested by one of my friends to play some, well, yes, it's a game, as you can see. I haven't played a game in a while. I didn't want to play a game, but I was going to upload a video last night, a pretty creative video with my friends, but they had like their point of views and I didn't get their point of view, so I have to wait until I get their point of views, so I'll be able to upload it and I'll get that within like a day or a couple days. But for now, I got suggested to play this Cat Mario. I've seen people play it years ago and it looks frustrating as crap. So yeah, I'm gonna have a go at it. Everything's in Chinese. I don't know how to like what is that? This language, like these letters, I don't know what they are. The freaking emoji. I'm guessing start is the top one because start is always the top, and it's starting. The first thing has green, and green means go for it, and go. G starts with, G, and green starts with G. So green and go are basically the same thing. So this must be go. Oh, yep. Logic. Mate, how do I play? Did I just skip the tutorial? How do I play? Okay. Yeet. Mate, why do you go so fast? Oh, crap, my mouse is in the screen. Alright. Go under here. Excuse me. Okay. Am I like not allowed to get it or something? Like, oh no thanks. Ooh! The second bitch is the only thing that likes. There we go. But I made it last time. Why couldn't I make it that time? I need to move my keyboard. Oh fuck this corner, I don't care. Yes, go. Alright. Oh. I'm good. Are you allowed to do that? Oh, I didn't know I could jump on the clouds. I thought I'd die. Shit! The brick didn't come up. Yes. Oh my god, please. Oh my. Hello. I know that this bitch falls. Go back! I didn't really get anything, but oi, okay. I got a checkpoint. Fall off. Oh, this cool bitch. Did the Doodles thing just freaking kill me? Mate! Oh, I was lucky. Yee. Thank God. You what? Are you serious? Hey, Siri, turn off. I'm standing on nothingness. I cannot die. Oh. I don't even care about this shit. No! I just did the exact same thing. Don't. I just two birds with one stone, know what I'm saying? Don't! Okay, so that's where I got fucked up last. Maybe I'll have luck if my hair is swapped to my normal side. Well, that was fucking luck. So far my hair's worked. Oh. There we go. Alright. Gucci.
Hello from the other side.
Oh crap. Clouds kill you? He slides. It's like he's on ice. And not the drug. Yes, alright. Why can't you go back any further? That's a bit doge. Yeet. You've got to be fucking shitting down my throat. Quick! Oh, it's good. I actually forgot about, like, the last time I watched one of these was maybe a few freaking years. I forgot. How do you pass this? I'm getting real sick of this music right now. Matt! He didn't even touch me. I don't want to yell because there's people in the next room sleeping. Man, I look like I have a fringe. I look like a transvestite. I know there's a freaking yellow thing that's coming across. Yes! Did that work? Wait, what? I think I know what to do. No! You have to jump over it, then go back to the pole after it falls. I know what to freaking do, unless I broke the game when I did it. I fucking did it, didn't I? Level 2, boy. Mate, that took me 20 minutes to finish that round. Oh. They just fucking catapulted me. They just catapulted me. Wait, what? Why can't I move? Oh, there. I'm sorry, what? Alright. Purple things kill you? No! Are you freaking... Oh, I almost died it. Yeet. What the hell was that? I guess none of these are useful then. I'm sorry. No, don't touch it. Oh. No. Fuck's sake, Mildred. One more attempt. One more. Is it allowed to do that? Oh, one more proper attempt. Yes. That's a little bit unfair. Yeah, boy. Oh! A Hulk Hogan version of a cat just came out. I'm done. I hope you guys did enjoy that video. It have not been for nothing. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys. 12,200 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for that. I cannot thank you guys enough. I will be coming up with much better content. Recently, I've been thinking of, better stuff to upload. As I said, I wanted to upload a really good video last night, but I didn't get my friends' point of views for the video. It would be much better with theirs. I could upload it without theirs, but it would just be a lot better with theirs in it. I do have other videos for future videos coming, so it's no. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give a massive thumbs up, please subscribe, and yes, peace.